In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cell color automatically based on value in Microsoft Excel. This is an incredibly useful feature for visualizing data trends and outliers at a glance and can be a great time saver in your daily tasks. Let's dive right into it. To begin, go to your Office 365 and launch Excel. This will redirect you to a browser, and from there, you'll want to click on the specific workbook you wish to work with. Make sure it's open in Excel for you to access all the necessary tools and features. First, select the cell or range of cells you want to apply this formatting to. Once you've done that, head over to the toolbar and click on the conditional formatting icon. This is where the magic happens. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Highlight Cell Rules. From here, choose Greater Than. A dialog box will pop up, allowing you to define your rule. In the box at the right corner, type in the value that will serve as your conditional baseline. This value determines when the cell color changes. For this example, let's say you want any value greater than 50 to stand out. Enter 50 in the box. Next, you'll want to customize the appearance of these cells, so click on the plus icon under Format Style. From the options available, choose a fill color that will stand out, perhaps a light red or green, whatever makes the information pop for you. Once you're satisfied, click on Done. Now that you've set a condition for values greater than a certain number, let's quickly cover how to do the same for values less than a specified number. You'll go through a very similar procedure. Once more, click on the conditional formatting icon followed by Highlight Cell Rules, and this time select Less Than. You'll again see a dialog box where you can specify the value for this rule. Enter your chosen threshold, such as 10. As before, click on the plus icon under Format Style to choose a fill color for these cells. Select a color distinct from the one you used previously so that the variations in data are easy to identify at a glance. When you're done, click on Done to apply the rule, and that's how you can change cell color automatically based on cell values in Microsoft Excel. By doing this, you create a more dynamic and readable presentation of your data, allowing key numbers and patterns to jump off the page, which can be particularly helpful in reports or presentations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other Excel tutorials for more tips and tricks. Happy data managing!